A violinist stood before thousands when mid-performance a string snapped. Gasps filled the hall. But Itzhak Perlman didn't flinch. He closed his eyes and played on, with just 3 strings. What emerged wasn't just music, it was resilience molded into melody. He composed, improvised, reimagined the impossible, live. Life, too, snaps strings. Plans fall apart. Expectations crumble. But maybe it's not about waiting for all strings to return. It's about creating symphonies with what's left. Strength isn't in perfection. It's in the art of adaptation. You may feel broken, but even broken instruments can sing louder than silence.